So here I am at Shapurji Palanji's brand new project in Pune, which is called as Vanaha. The reason why it is called Vanaha is because it is spread across 1,000 acres of forests. But before all of that, let me tell you something more about Shapurji Palanji. This wall behind me talks about the legacy of Shapurji Palanji, wherein they've made stadiums, multiple commercial complexes, and a lot more that needs to be talked about. And we are going to talk about all of this, but only after I show you the total 1,000 acres of land parcel जिसके अंदर होने वाला है development of only 158 acres. Rest of the whole space is going to be an open forest. Now I can't actually show you the whole land parcel, but I'm going to show you the views for sure because they are going to make you awestruck. Let's go. From here, what we can see is Vanaha. Now this is the complete land parcel as you can see from here. Let's take a good closer look at the forests right over here. Now, as you can already see, the Oxford Golf Course. This is the golf course that is spread across, which also belongs to the same property, and the upcoming project is going to be located in a total land parcel of 10 acres out of these 1,000 beautiful acres over here. And now it's time to show you something even more beautiful. Of course, it's very windy, it's very beautiful, and it's very pleasant. But what is more pleasant is the apartment from inside. Let's go and take a very quick look at it. Now, this is the 3D model of the whole project. There are going to be multiple apartments, and this is going to be your view from every apartment because the balcony of every apartment opens to these forests. There are going to be 1 BHK duplex, 2 BHKs, 3 BHKs, 3 BHKs with study, 4 BHK duplex, and also 4 BHK with study. Now you can already see these are the 4 towers that have already been sold out. The amenities are already pretty visible to you. This is the only road that's going to be there other than all of these spread across greenery. And here are also some more amenities on the podium level as well. And this over here is the 1,490 square feet flat, which looks more than what it is. Why? Is because there are huge windows and amazing ventilation. Let's go inside the flat. Of course, they are providing us with a video door phone over here for your security. And then comes this entrance or the lobby area, which is of approximately 4.11 by 10.2 square feet. Comes with this great space over here for your shoe racks and storage units. Now, this is the 3 BHK that comes with a study. So first we'll take a look at the study and then I'll show you the guest bedroom. This is the study or the puja area, which comes in a size of 5.6 by 7.6 square feet. And it also comes with a cute little window over here. As I told you, it is perfectly ventilated. There is no room over here which is not ventilated or not well lit up or doesn't have the view of the beautiful golf lands. Come, let me show you. This is the guest bedroom right at the entrance. At the entrance over here, you get this attached toilet and wash, which is of approximately 5.6 by 8 square feet. It comes with anti-skid tiles and wall-to-wall vitrified tiles, and the CP sanitary fittings are a part of the standard flat furnishings. Along with that, at the entrance, we get also right next to the toilet area is this wardrobe space so that your bedroom stays clutter-free. This is the bedroom over here, and the bedroom size is of approximately 10.3 by 13.2 square feet, and it comes with this standing balcony. Now, this is not a standing balcony, it's actually a window, but it looks like a standing balcony because the complete window is a sliding door and it comes with these wooden finished windows and the frames to give it more of a wooden touch, and also with a mosquito net over here, and this grill so that you can stand and you can enjoy the views of the forest and still be safe. Now let's go and move towards the rest of the rooms. Along with that, there is one more added advantage of this room that I absolutely loved, and that is that they've provided an extra window over here so that there is cross ventilation. Now it's time to move into the rest of the house. Let's go. This is your living area, which is of approximately 12.6 by 15.6 square feet, and it comes with a deck area which is also connected to your master bedroom. So you can of course come and take a quick look at it, but I am going to show it to you from the master bedroom completely so that you can enjoy the view uninterrupted. Now here is the window, or the balcony in fact. The reason I cannot open it is because it is super windy already. Just by opening one small crack in the balcony, this is the condition of the house, you can also already see. Now here is the dining area, which is of 10.6 by 11.6. The reason why it is also very windy is because of the cross ventilation. Here is another balcony to the dining area. You saw the balcony to the living area. This deck is of another 10.6 by 4 square feet, and even this comes covered from the top as well, and also comes with a toughened glass railing which comes with a stainless steel frame. Now the kitchen is an open kitchen concept which comes of approximately 8 by 11 square feet. It comes with this island table over here and an L-shaped workstation right over here that ends at a quad sink. Now you all know that a quad sink is much better than a stainless sink because it has a better life, and also it is more sturdy. Along with that, there is also a utility area. So I think this house is more open rather than having rooms over here. So the utility area is of another 8 by 4 square feet. From the kitchen area and the utility area, it's time to move into the rest of the bedrooms of the house. Large passage over here is of 12.6 by 4 square feet. And even this has another standing balcony. So right now I am standing right in front of the door, and this is a perfect cross ventilation spot. Let's take a look of how this looks. That's the door, and here is this standing balcony where I am right now. So this allows maximum cross ventilation and also a great view of the forests again. On my both sides are the 2 bedrooms. Let's start with taking a look at this bedroom first. The size of this bedroom is 10 by 13 square feet, and it comes with 2 windows which are oppositely placed. These are not windows, these are standing balconies. Let's take a look at this one over here. Again, the same wooden frame that we saw, a standing balcony with this grill over here to allow in perfect ventilation. Now I actually have to show this to you how windy it gets once you open the windows over here. And on this side is the other standing balcony that again has the same wooden frame and again a standing balcony feel. Now let's move into the master bedroom, because I had promised that I'm going to show you the balcony from the living area to the master bedroom. And while we are also going over there, let me tell you that this bedroom also comes with an attached toilet and wash and a space for wardrobe behind me. Let's take a look at this as well. As you can already see, the wind is playing over here. This is the master bedroom, which is of approximately 11 by 15 square feet, and it also comes with an attached toilet and wash, which is of approximately 5.6 by 9 square feet. Before we enter the balcony, let me remind you that I had promised you that each and every house is going to have the view of the golf course and the forest. Here is your view, and this view comes from your master balcony and from your living balcony as well. This is the golf course that we just saw, the 1,000 acres of the Shapurji Palanji estate that is going to give you the maximum amount of oxygen. Now this over here is the balcony. as I told you. It comes with this wooden finished flooring, and also there is this very cute space over here which I personally loved a lot. This space can be used for a vertical garden or maybe for your bar area or a nice closet or a cupboard or a storage space. Now here, if you can take a look at this is going to be your house, which is going to be the most beautiful space. The area of this deck is of approximately 9.11 by 8.10 square feet. Now I'm going back into the house, but you stay tuned because I'm going to tell you how can you come over here and take a look at this property. Goodbye. आता तुम्ही ऑलरेडी हा प्रोजेक्ट बघितलाय, तर आय एम शुअर तुमच्या मनात जो प्रश्न आहे की आता ह्याच्या पुढे काय, तर बुकिंग प्रोसेससाठी खूप सिंपल आहे. खाली कॅप्शन्समध्ये एक लिंक दिलेली आहे, त्या लिंकवर तुम्ही करायचं आहे क्लिक आणि त्यानंतर आम्ही तुम्हाला कॉन्टॅक्ट करणार आणि आम्ही तुम्हाला पुढची प्रोसेस सुद्धा सांगणार, ऑफर्स आणि डिस्काउंट्स बद्दल सांगणार आणि त्यानंतर आम्ही तुम्हाला बुकिंग प्रोसेससाठी पूर्णपणे गाईड करणार फिजिकल साईट व्हिजिट्स बरोबर. आता हे फक्त पुण्यातलंच नाही तर ऑल ओव्हर द वर्ल्ड, म्हणजेच भारतातले भरपूर शहर आणि बाहेरचे सुद्धा लाईक UAE, कॅनडा, सिंगापूर, USA इथे सुद्धा जर तुम्हाला प्रोजेक्ट्स घ्यायचे असतील तर प्रॉपर्टी क्लाउडलाच कॉन्टॅक्ट करावं लागेल तुम्हाला. अजून प्रोजेक्ट्स बघायचे सिम्पल, लवकरात लवकर आमच्या चॅनलला करा सबस्क्राईब, म्हणजे कुठलाही प्रोजेक्ट तुमच्या शहरातला किंवा बाहेर जर तुम्हाला घ्यायचं असेल तर सगळं काही तुम्हाला मिळणार एकाच छताखाली, म्हणजेच इथे प्रॉपर्टी क्लाउडवर. सबस्क्राईब करा आणि लवकरात लवकर त्या लिंकवर सुद्धा क्लिक करा, म्हणजे रजिस्टर पण व्हाल. भेटूयात आपण नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये.